We are going to rotate these patterns within the object without rotating the object itself. So we'll go find the rotate tool. If you don't know where it is, you can press R as in roll on the keyboard, and we'll find the rotate tool. It's inside, it's near the scale tool. So I need to select the object I want to affect. So let's get the selection tool, select the object, grab the rotate tool, and then I'm just going to double click inside the toolbar on this part, double click there. We want to affect the pattern, so we're going to check transform pattern and uncheck transform objects. And click on preview, and then you can see if I change the angle, I could type something in 90 degrees, or I could just click in here and it's going to shift that way. So once you like it, press OK. I'll get the selection tool. I'm going to select, maybe zoom in a little so you can see it a little better. We'll double click. I want to transform the pattern. Preview is selected, and now I can kind of get what I want and say OK.